Stretching across mountains, deserts, and grasslands stands one of the most extraordinary constructions in human history. In 221 BC, a new empire rises in China, and with it, a command is given to reshape the land itself. Hundreds of thousands are taken from their homes, farmers, prisoners, soldiers, and even captured enemies. Over 800,000 people are driven into a single mission: to build what should not be possible. The beginning of the Great Wall of China.
If this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications.
It stands as a statement of power, a masterpiece of ancient engineering, and a silent witness to centuries of ambition, fear, and survival. But beyond what the world sees lies a deeper story, hidden within its very structure. At first glance, the wall appears simple: stone, brick, and earth. But its true brilliance lies in how it adapts to the land itself. Across rugged mountains, the wall doesn't fight nature, it follows it. Instead of forcing straight lines, ancient engineers used the terrain as a defensive advantage, turning cliffs into barriers and ridges into watch points. This wasn't just construction, it was strategic military design on a continental scale. The process begins from the ground up.
First, the topsoil is stripped away. Then stone is laid, not for height, but to create a strong, stable base. Earth is mixed with sand and clay, forming a dense, powerful blend. Using a technique known as rammed earth, workers compress the material layer by layer until it hardens like stone. The foundation is reinforced, but something unexpected helps hold it all together: sticky rice. Ancient builders mixed lime with sticky rice soup, creating a natural mortar so strong, parts of it still hold today. A formula far ahead of its time. The wall is not built as a single continuous line, but in segments, each advancing toward the next. As they connect, a system begins to emerge. Watchtowers rise at intervals, the eyes of the empire. From here, signals travel through smoke by day and fire by night. Hidden within its design is another overlooked feature: mobility. The top of the wall is wide enough for soldiers, horses, and supply caravans, transforming it into a high-speed military highway. Troops can be deployed rapidly. Reinforcements arrive without warning, and enemies face not just a wall, but a moving defense system. Yet some of its most fascinating details are rarely discussed. Certain sections were deliberately designed with weak points, not as flaws, but as traps. Controlled entry passes allowed invaders in, only to be surrounded and defeated. In other areas, the wall appears incomplete, but this too was intentional. Natural barriers like rivers and steep valleys replaced construction, proving the wall was never meant to be continuous. It was a system. As the wall rises higher, scaffolding takes shape. Outer surfaces are smoothed to prevent climbing. In some regions, protective plaster shields it from erosion. The Great Walls of China stretches across northern China, over 3,000 miles of rammed earth. A structure so vast, it reshapes the land itself. Today, the Great Wall stands as one of humanity's greatest achievements, not because it is long or ancient, but it represents a timeless idea that architecture is not just about building structures, it is about understanding the world and shaping it to survive. And perhaps the greatest secret of the Great Wall of China is that it was never just a wall. It was a living system,